Black Shark Crypto, Tap Bots, Airdrops, Trading. Black Shark Crypto.
Going directly into Binance. I'm going to show you how we actually can do this in a very easy way. I mean, not that easy, but I believe that this is going to be a really great tutorial for you. So I have checked out several tutorials inside the YouTube, and most of them tell you guys that you needed to go directly here into PayPal and buy some crypto so you can send those cryptos directly inside your actual Binance account. But the issue though is that this actual application of the PayPal, this stuffed from the PayPal, is not enabled and is only available, of course, in the United States. We are actually currently based inside the actual Latin America. So if I click directly into that page is not available for me. So that might be the reason why you can't do those processes when they tell you that this is the main solution. So I'm going to be showing you another solution that might be a little difficult, but I can show you this can be helpful for you. So first of all, what you wanted to do is to verify your Binance account in order to make all of this process. Let's go directly into Binance.com, go directly inside into your actual account. You wanted to make sure that here you have this badge that says verified. If you don't have this badge that says verify, you can always go directly here into your dashboard and follow the prompts to verify your actual account. Next thing is to go and link a PayPal account to a bank account. So before you transfer funds from PayPal into Binance, you wanted to link your PayPal account to your bank account. If you haven't already, you can want to do so. So this allows you to withdraw funds from PayPal into your bank account simply. So we are not going to be sending your money from PayPal directly from Binance. You wanted to send your money from PayPal into a bank account or into your credit or debit card, and use that credit or debit card or bank account to purchase cryptos directly here into Binance. Assuming that I wanted to buy, let's say, $15 of Bitcoin, I go for pay with, and in my case, I can be available for paying this with Google Pay, with Payment8, with Apple Pay, and with this credit card. Now, this is an actual card that I have just received a few weeks ago, and I linked this card with my PayPal so I can use this card to make the payment of the actual cryptos. So now what I wanted to do is to go directly into PayPal and go into Pay and Get Paid. Here, let's go into Banked and Cards. Directly into banking cards, what you wanted to do is to add a new credit or debit card. So you can go here into linked a bank or go directly into linked a card. So this is the part which you wanted to use the actual linking of a card. It's going to be asking you to add all the information about your credit card, the card type, the expiration date, the security code. This is just a fake billing address, so you don't have to worry about this is a sensitive content. Actually, it is not, because this is not real. So once you link to the card, it's going to be asking you to make sure that it actually works, and now your money from PayPal is going to be sent automatically into your banking account or your credit or your debit card. And why is that? Because the actual PayPal no longer received money and stays with the money. After they receive the money, PayPal sends your money 24 hours later into your bank, your debit card, or your bank account automatically. So this amount of money that you have is going to be appearing into zero most of the time. That's the reason why you cannot have money here into PayPal, because PayPal is only, let's say, working as a bridge between the person who sends your money and the tool that receives your money. In my case, of course, is the bank account. So now that I have my credit debit card, what I just want to do is to use this credit or debit card to go directly here into Binance, choose my actual account, and make the confirmation of my products. Later on, I can go directly into my spot of my Binance and make sure that my funds has now been completed and my cryptos are now available into my Binance account. So guys, that's the reason, and that's how we can actually do the actual process to send money from PayPal directly into Binance.
Visit site blackshark.store.